August 11, 1908, Khudiram Bose, a young revolutionary, was hanged for his role in a failed assassination attempt on Judge Kingsford, known for his harsh rulings against freedom fighters. On April 30, 1908, Khudiram, along with Prafull Chaki, threw a bomb at what they believed was Kingsford's carriage, but it tragically hit the wrong target. Khudiram was arrested, tried and sentenced to death. At just 18 years old, he went to the gallows with Bhagavad Gita in hand, becoming a symbol of youthful bravery in India's freedom struggle. Prafull Chaki, evading capture, took his own life on May 2, 1908. On August 11, 1942, during the Quit India movement, 7 brave youths were shot dead by the British police while attempting to hoist the tricolour on the Patna Secretariat. Led by Umakant Prasad Sinha, Ramanand Singh, Satish Chandra Jha, Jagatpati Kumar, Devi Pad Chaudhary, Rajendra Singh and Ram Govind Singh, these youths were protesting for India's complete independence under Mahatma Gandhi's do-or-die call. Despite the police's efforts to stop them, they persisted, leading to their martyrdom. This incident remains a significant and inspiring chapter in India's freedom struggle. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, a region located between Gujarat and Maharashtra, officially became part of the Republic of India on August 11, 1961. Historically under Portuguese control since the 18th century, the region renamed under Portuguese rule even after India's independence in 1947. Freedom fighters continuously struggled against the rule, eventually liberating Dadra and Nagar Haveli. In 1961, the Indian government initiated the process of integrating the region into India, and it was declared a union territory on August 11, marking its official inclusion in the Republic of India.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
Friedrich Ludwig Jahn, born on August 11, 1778 in Germany, is celebrated as the father of modern gymnastics. A German gymnastics instructor, Jahn established the first gymnastics ground in Berlin in 1811 and played a crucial role in organizing gymnastics as a sport. He introduced various exercise and equipment such as bars, rings, and horses, which are still used today. Beyond physical fitness, Jahn aimed to inspire nationalist spirit among German youth and supported German unification. He even participated in the 1813 war against the French Empire. Due to his nationalist activities, Jahn was imprisoned from 1819 to 1825. He passed away on October 15, 1852, but his legacy in gymnastics continues in Germany and beyond. On August 11, 2003, NATO took command of the International Security Assistance Force in Afghanistan, marking its first operation outside Europe. ISAF was established by the UN Security Council in December 2001 to ensure security and stability in Kabul after the Taliban's fall. Initially, different countries led by ISAF, but NATO assumed command in 2003. NATO, a military alliance of 32 countries from Europe and North America, expanded ISAF's role across Afghanistan, conducting operations against the Taliban and other terrorist groups. The ISAF mission officially ended in 2014.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.